Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sona. How is everybody doing? Everybody doing all right? I hope so. Hope everyone has gotten their week started off good. I hope today was a good day for everybody. Every day is a good day for me. If I wake up, it's a good day for me. I just, that's all I think about. As long as I wake up in the morning, like I said, everything else don't even matter. It's a good day just to see another day. That's it. Well, tonight I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing, and I purchased something from Micheal Kors. So, I haven't purchased anything from Micheal Kors ever since that Etna bag, So, yeah. And so if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, go back and look at a Micheal Kors unboxing of mine that was done. I can't remember when it was done, but anyway. If I can, don't hold me to it, but I'm going to try to link it down below. So don't hold it against me. And I just said, you know what? Look, my mind just got sidetracked because the video that I did before this video, I said I was going to put the link to some pouches that I ordered off Amazon. And I just realized I didn't put the link. So I will put it in my community post. So yeah, but so okay, I haven't opened it. Here it is right here in this big box right here. I haven't opened it because we're gonna find out together if I like it or not. Okay, so and you already know, if I don't, you're gonna be able to tell it. You're gonna be able to tell it. So like I said, the ones that have been following me, they like I said, they can tell if I like something or not. So I'm just trying to see where the best place to open this at. I don't even know, so I'm just gonna go here and open it up. Let's see, because I don't know how this box is, how it is. So I'm just gonna put it down this side. Okay. I'm gonna turn it on this side and do it this way too. All right, it's coming open. And over here there's a little more opening up. Okay, there it is. We got it open. A little. All right, y'all. Here it goes. That's the purse. So I'm gonna get it out. And well, like I said, we're gonna see. We're gonna see together if I like it. So this is it. This is the Micheal Kors bag. Let me tell you what it is. It's in the powder blush color, and it's I have to, when I open it, I can tell you all the description about it and everything. So yeah, so I'm gonna open it up. And so, alrighty, here it goes. All right. Oh, look at that. Okay. I think I like it. Yes, I think I like it, y'all. That's the pink on it. It's a powder, they call it powder pink. Yeah, so let me finish opening up everything on here so we can take a look at everything else. Okay. All right. Look at all this paper. It has a crossbody strap with it. Okay. All the paper on everything. Because she's gonna be a keeper. So yeah. I'm so excited to get this bag. I've been looking at it and I was like, you know what? I am going to get this bag. Let me see if I can. Yep, got this off. Okay, and this is the crossbody strap. I'm going to open that up. Okay, and it is adjustable. Everything off. I kind of was scared to order something off of Micheal Kors after that last bag I ordered, but you know, I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. And I asked a couple of people what the color looked like before I ordered it, and so they was like, it's gonna be, you know, they said I was gonna like it. Yeah. So I decided to order it. Here. Okay, so that's the crossbody strap. Just a little, yeah. All right, so let's check out this bag. I'm gonna get this off of it. Look, I thought it was done tearing papers off of it, but look, I got some more. Okay. Like I thought I was putting the stuff inside the box over here, but it's on top of the box, but that's okay. I will straighten it out later. Get it all cleaned up later. Yep. Trying to get the rest of this paper off of here on this side. The other side was good, but okay. Now, got a little bit more to get off, but I'll work on the rest of that later. You can see what it looks like without the paper on it. But anyway. So yes, this is the bag right here. I thought it was so pretty. I love the pink on it. And then it has the, you know, on the front, the K's on the front, yeah. So I thought it was cute. And it's something different that I don't have. This is the bottom of it. This is one side. This is the other side. And then it has the drawstring right here in the front, and this is how it looks in the inside. Okay, and it does have closure like this. Okay, so yeah, I like this bag. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you. Let me see. Do it. It has the little gold Micheal Kors in the inside down here. Has a little bar right here, gold bar with the Micheal Kors on it. And let me tell you, the name of it is, this is Phoebe. Yeah, powder blush, large drawstring grab bag. So this is actually a got this paper out. This is actually a bucket bag, because it looks like it might be a tote or something, don't it? But it's actually a bucket bag. You pull this in the front, and fasten it like that, and so it's like this. Yeah, it's like almost like a bucket bag. Yeah. But it's actually different than what I thought, because I really thought the whole thing drawed in, you know, around not just the front part. I thought the whole thing around here drawed in, but it don't. It's just like that. Yeah, so I guess you can just pull the strap. Yeah, pull in the front, and so that's it. It also has snap closure, so you snap together here. And so there it is. That's the bag. That's what it looks like. I thought it was so cute, and I thought it was different from anything that I have. Yeah, so I will be carrying it like this, of course. But, you know, you do have a crossbody strap. Let me take these out. I'll take the other side out here. You do have the crossbody strap if you want to put a crossbody strap wear the crossbody strap. But yeah, I thought it was so cute. I was like, oh, that's such a cute bag. Yeah, thought it was so cute. And then I'm going to add the straps on here, show you how it looks with the strap. So I'm going to add the crossbody strap on here. See, I didn't, you know what? I was talking about the bag, but I wasn't even thinking about the closure, the snap closure, which makes it, you know, look like, you know, a bucket bag. I didn't think about that because I didn't have it fastened up. So this is how it looks with the strap on it. So I'm gonna try to show you how she looks. And so this is how she looks with the strap on. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I like it with the strap on. I do. But you know, of course, we'll put it down, put the screen down just a little bit so you can see. Okay. This is how she looks with the strap on. But me, I'll be toting it like this. And yeah, just like that without, I may leave the strap on it like that, just in case. But I like the strap too because it's not too long. So if I want to leave it on here, it doesn't hang too low. I don't like straps that be hanging all the way, hanging down, like it might get hung on something. So this would be, let's see, this strap would be, yeah, this would be just fine, like that. Yeah, I could just wear it, just keep it and see how it is up under there. I don't know how I got this twisted, but I do. Let's see. Get it fixed. Okay, now. I think I got it fixed. I might have to still. Yeah, okay, now it's fixed. So yeah, see how it is up on the bottom? It ain't as long. So like I said, I might leave it on there because of that. This is not long. And I got one more hole that I could put it at to raise it, to make it, let me see, to make it shorter. Let me put it to the last hole. Okay, that's not the last one, this is the last one. So yeah, that actually works. I put it in the last hole, so this much is hanging up on the bottom. So yeah, I could possibly wear it like this with keep the strap on it just in case I needed it. But yeah, I think this is so cute. This is so darling. I think it's cute. Yeah. I think that is so cute. And like I said, it's different than what I usually carry. And that's what, you know, I wanted to find me something different, a different bag, you know. Yeah. Something different. And I think this is so pretty. I'm going to see if it matches. I have a wallet. I think the wallet might match because I think this matches my bag that my friend bought me for my birthday last year. So yeah, let me see. Let me hold on just a minute. Let me see this bag over here. Yes, yes, yes. Let me sit down. Look at this right here. Yes, it's the same color. They're the same color. Yes, I love that. The same color. Yes. And let me see. Put the little charm out here. Yeah, I love this bag, y'all. I love it. So guess what? I already have the matching wallet. Yes, yes. Let's look. Because I have the matching wallet in here. Look. I got the matching wallet already. I am so stoked about that. Yep, the matching wallet. I have the matching wallet already. So yeah, I have the matching set. I am so happy. Yes, yes, I done good, if I have to say so myself. But thanks to my friends for helping me. You know who you are when it came to the color. All right, I appreciate it. Well, hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe now. And hit the notification bell so when I post another video, you'll know it. All right? Until next time, everyone have a good night. Bye.